Hello everyone, this is Asna from CC Year 2 and today I'll be explaining my code which I made for multi-device application. So let's get started. First I have backend and front end here. So in backend I have modules, node modules, routes, env which stores the MongoDB URL, and there's index.js, package, log.json and package.json. So in models I got a user model. So this one this first import mongoose from mongoose. This one it used to connect node.js with MongoDB, and then how user should appear in the database. This code tells about that, and then the exported user model to be used throughout the website is done through this code. Then next comes the node modules which I installed, and after this it's root. So here the first one it imports express framework, and then the second one, this one, it imports user model to interact with user collection MongoDB, and this creates a root or instance. And then this is a user sign up root, and this one is a user login root. And after this there's env. So this is basically the URL for connecting my MongoDB database. And then next is index.js. So I imported few libraries here. The first one is Express. It's for creating server, handling routes, etc. The Mongoose to connect and interact with MongoDB, and .env to load environment variables from a .env file, and then like cores to allow requests from frontend and backend. User routes is to import user related routes, and .env it loads the environment variables to process .env. And then this one it creates an Express application instance, and port, it's a port number where server runs. And then the app use it enables cores for all incoming requests, and this one it enables JSON tracing for incoming request and allows access to the request body, and this register user routes with base path. Then this it gets a MongoDB connection string, okay, and then this one it is the code to connect the MongoDB database, and then over here it calls the database connection function, and this starts the server. So next here, this is the package log.json which I downloaded, and this is the package JSON. Now let's come towards the front end. So first here I have the main index.html. So here there is global reset I did. So this one removes the default margin, then removes the default padding, and then it includes padding and border in size. Then this I gave for smooth scrolling, and there is the body background styling. Then comes, okay, I wrote style inside the HTML, so this is the style. Then this is the navigation bar styling, and then the glow effect and hover. So like basically when my cursor goes over there, it glows. And then comes a logo styling and navigation links, underline animation, like there's home. So when my cursor goes there, there's an underline effect coming below that word. And then there's login and sign up button styling, and section there is hero, which is the main one. So I used a background video in hero section. So this is the background video, and over that background video I made a dark overlay so that what I wrote on hero is also visible. And after that is the garage background. So here all of my cars are displayed, and then this is the background for about and contact. And coming more down, these are a few more styling. This is the styling of sound button. So basically you can unmute. The video I added has sound, so you can unmute and listen to the sound as well. Then this is for the glass effect, and this is for the extra translucent effect for about and contact session. And this is for filtering cars. So basically in garage section there are like cars displayed, so you can, this filters a car into luxury, sports, etc. And then this is the car grid which I used. Then this is the models. And now comes the responsive code. So this is for the responsiveness. So this code is for tablet. I used 1024px, and this is like phone I made two. So one is normal phone and one is small phone. So in normal phone I used 600px, and in small phone I used 420px. The coming down is the navigation bar. So here comes the body of the HTML. The style ends over there. So this is the navigation bar, and then this is the hero session. I added my video here, and coming, this is the sound button, and coming down is the garage section. So this is a filter, this is the grids, and I added 3 cars, so they're here. And then comes the about section. So here you can read about my company, and yeah, and then comes the contact session. So I named the contact session as a pit stop, as the theme is car. So here you can get all the details, and this is the booking details. So basically you can rent the car. Like in the garage section there's a button named as rent, so when you click on it this pops up, and you have to finish the info there. And then this is the JavaScript which I use. So this one is for filtering car by category, and this is the rent button, how it functions. This is the close model booking, and this one is for enabling song. And that's the end of index.html. Now let's have a look at index.js. So this is the sign up backend connection, this whole code. And then coming down, this is the backend login. This is the sign up backend connection, and this is the login backend connection. And then coming here, this is my sign up login style sheet. So here first there's this body and video background, which I again, this is a style sheet, so I again added a video here, and this is a video style, and it is okay. So I added a text. So my company name is Ride or Die. So the text, it is at the background, but like, you know, it's after the video but before the login and sign up pop up. So it's over there, and I also added the animation, so it just floats over there. And then this is the floating animation. This is a see-through card, so basically when login and sign up is in a see-through card, so you can also watch the video. And this is the back button to go back to the home page. This is a huge title which I use at the background, and then like there's subheadings and inputs, buttons, and then the styles, the text keys for switching between sign up and login form. And then comes a responsive CSS. So here it's again for tablet, phone, the big phone and the small phone, same as the main one. Then this is the video background. Over here background there's the Ride or Die text, and this is like get started with us, a huge title, and this is to go back to the home page. And this is the sign up details, like I have to enter name, email, password, etc. And then already I have an account to the switch text, so when I click on it I go to login, and here I can write email, password, and again switch, and I can go back over there. And then this is a script, so this basically hides sign up form and shows the login form, and this one hides the login form and shows up the sign up form. And this is finally the video volume of the video playing in the background. So this is my home thing, and then over here I have the video which plays in the background of the sign up and login. And then over here it is about background, and this is Audi, which I added the car grid, BMW also in the car grid, contact, this is a background contact, this is a background of garage, and this is the skyline R34, which I added as well in the car grid. And then this is a video which plays in the hero session of the main page. Now let's try running it. So I'm gonna click on this and open with live server. So this is the whole thing. As you can see, I can enable the sound. So you can see I can enable the song. If you want, you can watch it without the song as well. And then coming down is the garage. So here there is all of the cars I have. There's luxury and there's sports, and you can see all, and I can rent it right now, so I have to log in order to rent, so that's a bad thingy. So coming here, this is that one, it's about my company, and then this is a pit stop. You get the contact details from here. Let's go back to the home page. So this navigation bar, you can just click on it and it's going to take you to that page. Now let's go to login and sign up. So this video here also have a sound. Okay, let's just mute the song, and this is my sign up page. And when I click on this, it switches to the login page, and I can also go back from here. So I just go back to the main page. So this is my login and sign up page. Obviously there is voice. Now let's just mute it for now. Let's go with my name, email as this, password. Let's just go with 1 2 3 4. Sign up successful, please login. Okay, let's save this, and we'll enter this over here. Login, welcome us now. So this is it, and like I can go back. Now that I'm back, let's try renting a car now. So here you go. I can like select any date, confirm booking, and my booking is done. So this is my home app. Now the final thing, let's check if it's here. So this is the thing. Let's just reload it. Okay, so it's under test, like users. Okay, there you go. This is the information. So it is working properly, and I hope you liked it. Thank you.